So, the Bank of Canada increased interest rates again. The prime rate has now gone up to 5%. Go back about a year and a half ago when it was only 0.25%. What is the Bank of Canada doing? They're trying to fight inflation. And that's their one singular goal. So, in terms of real estate, how does that impact owners? Well, if you don't have any financing, then about a third of Canadians do not have any mortgages on their properties. So it has zero impact on them. However, if you have a line of credit, which many Canadians do, then it does affect your borrowing rates. And your borrowing rates now are going to be circa like 7 to 8%, depending on how good your credit is and your established credit lines with your respective secured credit lines with your lender. What about buyers? How does that affect buyers? Well, obviously, as interest rates go up, then the people that qualify to purchase go down. So that was another hefty increase, 50 basis points. That's a lot, from 4.5% to 5%, and just pummeling. Now, will that affect number of sales? Initially, there'll be a pause. However, those people that were pre-approved before this increase still have, if they're working with a mortgage specialist, they have 120 days to lock into something and still get the lower rates. So for those people, this is primarily for you. You've got a golden opportunity here, platinum opportunity, to go ahead and seize the opportunity, because sellers, there's fewer listings now, about 33% this year versus last year. However, there's some great opportunities out there. And for first-time buyers, there's some great opportunities for you as well that are under the radar. What do I mean by under the radar? I mean, you can buy a home that has one unit, so long as it has the potential to have 2 or even 3 units. Guess what? It's zoned legally in the entire province of Ontario. And you can get up to 4 units per property, potentially, in Toronto. So what happens is you'll own the house 100%, and you have somebody else paying for 50% or more of it. How is that a bad thing? It isn't. So you have to have vision. So one of the ways that helps clarify that vision is for first-time buyers and investors is the self-funding house. Derek Lobel and Rod Schulhauser. So definitely leverage that. We're more than happy to share the insights from this book and the opportunities and the network. So reach out to us today. We can help you own a home sooner and start building your equity instead of landlord's equity. And after all, isn't your freedom most important, and your family's? Talk soon. Peter Mazzuchin, the Actus Real Estate Group.